like I said, yeah, we're on quarantine for now, so we got a lot of stuff to do at home anyway, so it will keep us busy on our property for the next couple of weeks, and then we are planning to go do some excursions because there's a few excursions that I want to do, so I definitely want to get out and go do some stuff. And you know, I'm a water baby. Yes. For those that didn't know, my birthday is coming up, so the 26th of January, so I've definitely got to get out in the water. That has always been my all-time favorite thing to do, is be in the water. So whether I'm at a river, stream, or the beach, I love that. And yeah, so I have a couple of places that I want to go, so we will see. I just know, like, you know, with the pandemic, you still have to be precautious and stuff like that when doing things, but I just want to enjoy myself. Definitely needed this time away, so that's what I am planning to do. So I don't even know what I'm having for breakfast yet. So, and I just had plantain delivered to my door, and I got myself some pine. So I'm going to I have to wait for Mario to come and peel it for me. I'll wait till Mario to come and peel me some pine, and I gotta go look for my jackfruit to see if I could get any, because that is one of my favorite fruits here. Jackfruit, mango, and pineapple and Jamaican apple. So those are like my go-to fruits to eat. So I'll be waiting for that, but I'm just gonna finish getting these clothes folded up and stuff, and in here organized. So that is what I am going to do. Oh, you need a charger for the laptop? It's over there. All right.
Hey, Shann, you go put that on Shann's seat. Yeah, put me there. Yes, and I'm told me, Yam man. Look at what you wrote. How long are you there, sir?
A year and more.
Carry the man there, ear and mash, and you just know. First. I'm come here to make you know the man there.
Which part in there?
Eh? I know the one up Mumpella there, so I turn in.
He's still up there?
No, I turn in there again.
Eh?
No, bad up again.
That may tell you.
But I run down the night, man.
Yeah, man. See them melt with the truth. This a piece that just come off really well.
The man. Full gas. Salt mackerel.
Cook up.
How long minutes see them or something?
I'm the Jamaica. Good old Jamaica.
Salt mackerel for a bit
Yeah. I that I tricky night.
How much of them?
So,
How about them or something? Fried dumpling?
it does. Me a natural juice, you know. Cucumber, pine and ginger and it's sitting there.
Okay, well, that's the yam.
Good old sitting there.
So when you say they have the sweet potato, man, the sweet potato I'm come find them, man.
No special time, you know, but
Because I've been party, I'm going to get it.
You have to make row and drink at evening time when you're there.
Check and see.
When you come. What time you leaving for that evening?
5, 6 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay, in there long.
Yeah, man.
Roast yam sauce,
Unfortunately, we might have next week, or maybe if we go to market this tomorrow and get, because tomorrow me work tomorrow. On Wednesday.
Oh, Wednesday you day off?
Yeah.
Wednesday, Sunday and Saturday you day off?
No, I work Saturday now.
Oh,
I go Wednesday and Sunday.
okay.
Sunday at church.
Oh. But your church is right here, so man, you don't have to go nowhere.
The church?
Your church is right here, so. Alright, my boss, thanks, yeah? Watch your road, you're carrying a man and bounce it down.
Hey guys, don't mind my hair. I took a 5. I was relaxing. This one's rolling over
Mommy,
here on the bed.
I want to do the potty.
It's in the
A 5 left in there.
yeah, because I had one, you had one, Memphis had one.
Where's our hard one?
Giselle had one. So yeah, we're just here relaxing and taking a 5. I'm still cleaning, guys. Still cleaning, and this one's over here sleeping.
Memphis.
So this one's like literally sleeping in the sun. Oh gosh.
Memphis.
What's sleeping now? Oh gosh.
Well,
I'll push out what I had. So I buy everything fish and bread, roast yam, food. Where you want back? Huh? You can't book your box for a bike. Yep.
8. Then I have no 20.
You want some lick?
I 8. So I 8.
So my food.
Thank you. What is this?
You know what?
So my food.
No.
What
What is it?
Your face light up with your so.
Where me in life is that?
Mommy, if I food, yeah, give me a piece.
Where you get it from?
You hungry?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So where you get this from? The man?
No, different place.
Different place? Yeah, then couldn't put in one sitting. What is this?
Start mackerel and roast yam.
Oh.
No.
Come give me one to get to make me galang on.
More yourself and go.
Galang on me.
They know art. I don't know what to carry in.
They're not art.
Go there for that, they soft too.
Microwave.
Oh gosh. How long time you get my bread?
Wait, microwave now?
They carry into your brother.
Yes.
Or yourself, Giselle, and for you. Make it time, man. Gonna go in business. Here. How you talk to, babes? How you talk to?
The next bag.
Eh?
Oh, you know me did want one.
You know everything what you want. What do you want?
Two.
Eh?
Let me find some more money.
Here?
Memphis. Thank you. Memphis!
How am I doing the other one? What are you talking about? Supposed to really care on the bike?
Wait, the food you can bring me.
So make it me carry come give my youth. Me come now, man. Put in a car, me come now. See if you're tied down now you never got rope it tied down.
Oh, what is buddy?
Make sure they're not eating.
Wait, I mean, make sure something.
You ain't hot.
I did hungry for
They're hungry.
Yeah, so if you go hungry, you bite them.
That's why food.
I cheese one?
What?
Give me a bite.
Me not have no juice.
I am done school. I dropped my left.
What have you done school and not 3 o'clock yet? Here.
Oh, God.
What is you want? What is you want? You get bread, you get patty, you get food from old Joe.
Man.
Eh? What is it? You get roast yam.
Wait. Where's the juice?
Where's the juice? Me not no juice. That me can't eat with. This is mine. Put on this to me.
More food. I'm having right now.
Come hold this and put it on with me. My food. Just put on this something. You like? Take it up one, put in the fridge, baby.
Top one, put in the fridge?
Yeah.
You can put this in the fridge? If I not get no night, I not put it in there. I have to get a bite off of it.
Put it in the fridge.
Give me a bite.
They are not our fears we see. No point we left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us and me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want my